My name's Michael Williams. Initially when I started with IL FORNAIO, I was their food safety consultant. But since lockdown, I now get on with my job, and with all of the health and safety requirements, new insurer last year, so we've had to have a lot of statutory compliant risk assessments. From the offset, vacuums that we bought were very expensive. Peter, who'd been with me since 2017, he Googled a company that could do ATEX rated vacuums, and dust arrest come up. I think the first thing we bought was a bigger vacuum, the MAXVAC. And from then we bought a bigger one. We then had HSE looking at flour dust, which is government incentive to HSE to find factories that weren't controlling flour. And with your support, we purchased a couple of dust blockers, which are, they're my babies. I clean all the filters myself. The staff outside, they vacuum just the outside of it once they're all on your recommendation. You come in, you've done the training. The staff are still remembering the training and they're cleaning the machines. The dust blocker, I'd positioned it with your recommendation. From where the mixing bowls come out of the mixing room, they put a bit of flour into the top, and then they cut the dough with a knife, and they pick it up and they were throwing it into a little vessel. When they threw it in, there was a plume of flour. But next to it, the position of the dust blocker, with his torch, you could actually see the dust blocker pulling a lot of the flour into the dust blocker. So I was delighted. So therefore the results, the whole combination has led to the results only a couple of days ago, coming back happy. Yeah, big smile, big smile. The support that Dust Arrest have given is to demonstrate that the flour dust can be retained, I think. And the financial savings from yourselves is far greater than what we used to spend previous. It's demonstration that the equipment works, supports. I think the big thing is support, you know, but your MAXVACs, your Dust Arrest, yeah, without a doubt, I'd recommend them to anybody.